What's up YouTube, it's Eli and I'm back again with another video today. And today for you guys, I'm going to be talking about mirror brushing. I'm going to be explaining what mirror brushing is, and then I'm also going to show you how to mirror brush, and then I'm also going to explain to you why mirror brushing is important. So you guys stay tuned. Mirror brushing is basically taking a mirror that you have and standing in front of a bigger mirror that's behind you, and you're brushing your hair at the same time. Mirror brushing is important so that you can see all your angles, and so that you can brush your hair and brush your angles correctly. Mirror brushing is good so that you can see your hair, you can see how your hair moves, you can see how it grows, and you can just see all your angles to make sure that you're getting those good connections. Mirror brushing is probably the second most important thing when it comes to getting good connections. The first would be brushing your hair correctly, brushing your angles correctly, and how you do that is of course by mirror brushing. If you take somebody that mirror brushes every day, and then you take somebody that doesn't mirror brush, that just sits there and they just brush their hair in any direction, and the person that mirror brushes, and their waves is gonna look a whole lot better than the other person that doesn't mirror brush. Mirror brushing is just, it's just what you need to do to get better waves. If you're not mirror brushing, then you're not brushing correctly. It's very simple as that. How you mirror brush is very easy, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. But first, let me unrag. What you want to do is when you get your mirror, you want to stand in front of a mirror. So you want to get your mirror, and then you want to stand in front of another mirror. I like to use this one because it's bigger than my regular mirror that's in front of my sink. So you want to take your mirror and stand in front of another mirror and use that. You want to use the reflection and brush your hair. Now, when it comes to mirror brushing, you want to mirror brush every single day. You don't want to brush without a mirror unless you really know your angles. But then again, sometimes if you even do know your angles, it's still not good to mirror brush because you may think you're hitting your angles correctly, and then again you're not. I get a lot of DMs from people, and asking me tips on how to get waves and whatever. And I got a DM about a week ago or about 2 weeks ago about this guy. He asked me, how should I brush my hair? So I told him to send me a video of how he brushed his hair, and the guy sent me a video and he was just brushing crazy. He was just like this with one hand. He was just brushing ridiculous, and I'm like, yo bro, son, you need to slow down and you need to mirror brush. So then I said, you know what, I'll just make a video on this. So that's why I'm coming to you guys today about mirror brushing. But basically you guys, mirror brushing is just what you want to do to become elite. If you want to become elite, then you got to take the next steps to it. And mirror brushing is just very important on getting flawless waves. If you want your waves to look good, you need to mirror brush. There's nothing else to it. So you guys, with that being said, pick up your brush and brush with me. it comes down to it, mirror brushing is very important. Mirror brushing is the difference between having forks and having flawless waves. That's basically how I see it. If you guys like this video, and give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. And also, you guys, if you like this do-rag or any other do-rag you see me using my video, I'm gonna have the link in the description, and I also leave my coupon code right here for a little discount. I'm probably about 5 to 10 subscribers away from 700, so I just want to say, and thanks in advance for 700 subscribers, and I'm on the road to 1K. And at 1K subs, I'll be doing a giveaway, so you guys can stay tuned to that. And as always, you guys stay wavy.